How to see deleted messages on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see the deleted messages on your Instagram. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, simply head over to your page on the bottom right. Now, after you're on your profile, simply tap on the hamburger icon on the top right. Now, after you're on settings and activity, you will need to head over to your Meta Centers account. Now here you will find it on the top, account center. Head over there. And after you're there, you should see your account settings. Now you will see different options such as personal details, your information, and so much more. Simply head over to your information and permission. Now after you're there, all you need to do is download your information. Now after you're on download your information, simply tap on download or transfer information. After you tap on it, select your account. I'll just select my Instagram account, but if you want your Facebook account's data too, you can select that as well. Now tap on next. After you tap on next, you will either get to choose some information or all of your information available. I'll just choose some of my information. And now I'll get the option to choose my text messages or whatever I want. So I'll just select my messages and then tap on next. After you tap on next, I'll get two options. One is to download it to my device. The other is to transfer it to another destination. So I'll just tap on download to device. And now you can even choose the date range. Now under date range, you can choose all the time or last 6 years, 3 years, 6 months, and so much more. You can even make it custom. Now tap on save. Now here you will see that notify option. Now after they are done collecting your information, they will just send you a mail. Now you can tap on create files and they will start doing their job and they'll send you an email after they have done and you can download it from here. And yeah, that is basically how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.